Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, and just checking in with you. I got all the posts in for 3 sides of this raised garden bed area. I was 3 bags, or no, like 4 or 5 bags short of Quikrete, so I have to finish the front end with the 2 gates, or with the swinging doors. When I come out tomorrow morning, I'll dig them holes and then try to finish this fence tomorrow, I hope. We'll see. I gotta put the bottom rails on, top rails, and then I'm going to staple the fencing to it, to the outside, and then it's finished. And then basically filling up the beds and planting them out, and then this part is finished, and then I will start the drip line irrigation, a watering system for all these beds, and some water catchment systems for the rooftops. But I'm going to turn you around and show you. Here we go. And by the way, my battery, 18 volt, whatever, 24 volt, whatever thing that is. What is it? 40 volt. This thing is the best investment you can make for drilling holes. You know, short of renting a Bobcat and using the auger attachment. That thing drilled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 holes, and it's probably still got more than half a charge left. I only hit 1 rock right there, so I had to dig that one out, and other than that, the thing rips right through everything. It's got teeth on it on the bottom, so they actually dig, they cut through roots, they cut through everything. It's pretty impressive. But so all the posts are in, and once we get the fencing on, then I'll saw the top of these posts down to then it'll be 5 feet all the way around. So I don't think deer are gonna attempt to jump over it. I know they could if they wanted to, but then guess what? Then they're gonna panic and they won't be able to get out, and then they're gonna just tear this thing up. But yeah, getting closer, and also getting leaves, sticks. This wooded area back here is full of live compost. I mean, there is no shortage of leaves on the forest floor back here. They're all over the place. So each one of these beds, it's easy to fill them up. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left to be filled up with leaves and twigs, sticks, and all that. These ones are, I might plant some onions in this one today, and then the onions are, these are all going to be tubers back here. So, or you know, onions, potatoes, radishes, daikon radishes, turnips, beets, carrots, all that type of stuff is going to be in this back row here. And God, just kind of, this is going to be all sweet potatoes in this one. I'm going to plant that one tomorrow. I got to go pick up some sweet potatoes to plant and throw them in there tomorrow. And I have a bunch of onions with me. I got to go get some seed potatoes tonight so I can throw those in. And then as these get filled up, once I get the fence up, get these beds filled, then gonna start bringing in the gravel. There's a big pile of gravel over there by that big tall garage, and that gravel is gonna go in all the pathways. So I'm hoping I have enough. I got like 35 tons of it, I think, which is 2 truckloads, or 18 and 18, 36, whatever it is. But yeah, we're getting there. This is a much bigger job than I imagined it was going to be, but it's also so satisfying. And to know that I'll be able to take a drive out here at any time to check on this for Evan, the owner, and then grab some fruit and vegetables to bring home with me, because you know you got to test everything, right? And then on the outside of the fence we still have all the trees, and then the 2 asparagus patches here, and then horseradish over there. And I'm just gonna leave that corn grow. Look, since this morning it's probably grown 3 or 4 inches. That is absolute nuts. All right, enough of that. Gonna end the day here pretty shortly because it's like 90 degrees out, and my shirt was soaked through by 8:30, and had to take that out because I couldn't wear a wet. It's like wearing a wet towel. So yeah, it's very, very hot out today, but we're making progress, people. And this, can only imagine all the food that is going to be growing here. Just amazing. And to have young children that are going to grow up around this. This is going to be their weekend getaway. And you know, some people have cabins on the lake, and it just so happens they want a small house on an organic farm. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I will be updating probably tomorrow morning when I get here, and probably gonna, once I get the rails up, before I put the screen on, here's what I'm putting on. This stuff. Okay, that's gonna go all around the edge. But before I put that on, I'm going to stain everything, which that'll only take me about an hour to stain all that. And then once that's stained, then we can put the fencing on, and then get these beds filled tomorrow. Hopefully they will be done tomorrow, be full of dirt or soil, sorry, and be finished planting these out by the end of the week, and get started on that the watering system. But hey friends, grow food, not lawns, like I keep saying. The time to grow food is now, and you know, it's an idea whose time has come. You know, it's just think about all the money you will save growing your own food. Sure, an annual garden is work, but it's worth it. But then you have a food forest, which is less work than a lawn, because you're planting trees, you're planting bushes, you're planting perennials, okay? Once you plant a tree, in the beginning you kind of baby it a little bit, take care of it a little bit, but then once the roots start taking hold and that thing starts growing, other than pruning it once a year, you know, to keep it under control, there's nothing you have to do. You know, remulch around the trunk of the trees every spring. But other than that, there's no maintenance. They're just, other than picking food, which is fun, right? Because then you get to eat it. But I gotta cut this short and get out of here for the day. Talk to you tomorrow. See ya.